Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Inder here from Hair Transplant Center at Clinic Dr. Inder. So nowadays I'm getting a lot of female patients coming in to have density for their hair and actually to do little bit of aesthetic correction for their hairline. So today I've got a female of 33 years old. Not really, she doesn't have any hair loss issues. In fact, I did a blood test profile for her. Everything's appeared to be normal, and in fact, she doesn't even complain she's got any hair loss. But however, this is how her original hairline is. She's not very happy with the look at the original hairline. She's like decreased hair here, and then it's not a very well defined hairline. So today, what I'm going to do for her is redefine her hairline, not lowering her hairline. Just redefine a hairline and create some density at both the sides. This side on a left hand side and then on a right hand side. So just to redefine the hairline, the defined hairline zone, and a little bit density to create this side so that aesthetically she looks so much better. So, you know, when the hairline is not even or the less density, it makes a female lose a lot of confidence, you know, because the aesthetic look is not there. It makes a person look much older. They can't do many kind of hairstyle. They can't tie up their hair, make fashionable hairdos. So this is what you can do if you have the same problem, which is actually a day procedure, and you just wait for the hair to grow. Normally the result starts coming in about 4 to 5 months, and the good results come in about 12 to 14 months. This is for a person who do not have hair loss issues. But when you have hair loss issues, then there's many things that you have to control and maintain after doing hair loss in a female pattern hair loss. So if you look at the donor area, I've already marked. So if you look at the donor area, there's a lot of hair tied up here. It looks a bit scary, alarming, but nothing of that sort, because I need to harvest and extract the grafts here out. And once I let go this hair here, it's completely covered. And within 2 weeks, all the hair will grow. Within 3 months, the hair is about 5 to 6 centimeters. So it's not that bad. It doesn't look scary at all. This is the way that we do for a female pattern hair restoration. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Inder here from Hair Transplant Center at Clinic Dr. Inder. I have my beautiful patient of 33 years old who I did hair restoration for her, female pattern hair loss, in the sense she was born with less density here. So we just actually peel up. Not really she's got hair loss, but just born with less hair at the center here. Yeah. Yeah. So how are you doing? You okay?
Very good.
Very good. So you slept well last night?
You see me have a hair, but sleeping is very
not comfortable so much,
yeah,
because yesterday because you, number one, you got bandage, and number two, you had a little bit of sleep like this, huh? But no pain.
Okay.
Yeah, yes,
okay.
It's okay. You sleep well, no pain, but little bit discomfort.
It's very good. Long time ago, after maybe very beautiful.
Yes,
yes.
Because now you have to wait.
My dream.
Your dream is to have hair.
Yes.
From 12 to 14 months onwards, your dream will come true, because you are going to have hair there. Okay? Alright? Don't have to worry. So nowadays, becoming very trendy. Female come to me because maybe being a female hair restoration doctor, they actually are coming to me expressing their feelings. And being a lady female hair restoration doctor, I actually understand what exactly they are feeling. So I have many patients like her friends who have come just to lower their hairline because they are born with broad forehead and they don't like it in the aesthetic point of view, and they come in, and I've done many patients lowering the hairline. But for her, it's not much of a lowering the hairline, it's just filling up the density here. She can see through her scalp here. She was basically born like that, and she came actually to fill up the density just right in front there. Yeah. Nowadays it's becoming very popular, and this is aesthetically she look very good. So thank you for choosing Dr. Inder as your hair transplant doctor.
See you next time.
Yes, see you next time. So we can see it's just the front area here. So what I did for her, you can see I just sharpened a little bit on her hairline because she wanted this a little bit to balance her hairline, which I did. She chose actually, she wants it to be this pattern here and design, and then fill up all the area here with less density. So it looks good, and there's hair in between here, and of course the hair, the donor area is at the back here. Yeah, you can see the donor area, the back here, and now this some with antibiotic cream, and when she let go the hair, it's not noticeable at all. So this is how we do a female pattern hair loss, hair restoration. Donor behind has to shave, but because the hair is long, they can cover up the whole area, and very fast the donor hair will grow. So within the next 2-3 months, you already see that. Yeah, you already see all the hair here is growing.
Yeah.
So it's not noticeable anymore.
No, look like this.
No, not look like this. The hair will grow back. Yeah.
Go back.
Yes.
I thank you, my doctor, everything.
Yes. All right.